Essay writing. Introducing a fact, an assumption, a hypothesis, to state, to overstate, to overstate, to understate, a statement, an understatement, circumstantial, to prove to be false, to turn out wrong, consistent with the facts, it is true that, it is a well-known fact that, it is often said that, it is often claimed that, it is undeniable that, generally speaking, in keeping with, it is sometimes forgotten that, a problem that is often referred to today is that of racial segregation. The author reports that, this assertion raises a number of key issues. There is a relationship between and. The two events are closely connected. We must not lose sight of the facts.